welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Caroline. Okay, so today we are finally going to organize my refrigerator. Guys, it's been like 1,000 years that I've been needing to do this. I exaggerate so bad, it's unreal. Yeah, so I'm getting my refrigerator done, guys. Are you so proud of me? Okay, so I wanted to make sure I tell you guys, I got my containers from Burlington and from Marshall's. They're pretty inexpensive in those two stores. If you try buying them anywhere else, they're probably gonna be way too much. So if you wanted to do your refrigerator, make sure you check out Burlington and Marshall's. First Burlington, get what you can there, and then go to Marshall's second. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm super excited. Help me make it to 1,000 if you're not already subscribed. But anyways, let's get right to it. I have this container that I bought from Home Goods, and I'm going to store my lettuce in here.
I know that you were having trouble.
Guys, it's really bad. But dun 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 dun. Oh, wrong door. Dun 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 dun. I did just do groceries, so I was feeling really lazy, so I just threw everything in here, but it's so bad. Let's open the drawers. Oh my god, it's so dirty too. Guys, I despise cleaning this. There's just stuff everywhere. But let's get it organized.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you.
So I got these little bins from the dollar store, so I'm gonna put them like that.
Since I met you for the first time, you know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted?
Okay, so one thing that I didn't like about these containers where you put your eggs is I always feel like we're gonna eat old eggs or something. So I came up with an idea to write the expiration date on the container. So these two eggs have two different expiration dates. This one is for the 23rd, and then this one is for the 18th of May. So I'm just gonna use the 18th of May and just tell myself we have to use them before them. We have to use them before then. So anyways, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and write on here with an expo so it can be easy to take off. I'll do it on the side.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Okay, so here is the final result. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks better in person. On the camera, I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, it doesn't even look. Maybe it's because, I don't know. Whatever, it's fine. I love it. Okay, so over here, I have my butters and my feta cheese back there. I have yogurt. My son and I are both obsessed with yogurt, and we only like this kind. Here is my sofrito and some hot sauce that I made for my husband, some school lunches for the boys, our hummus and our cookie dough, my bread and cream cheese, my bagels and cream cheese, our strawberries that I cut up very nicely. Let me show you guys. My kids are totally obsessed with strawberries, but only if they're cut up like that. So anyways, and then we have our eggs, juices, milk, coffee creamer, soda. I left this empty because it was important to me to have space like this, because we a lot of times have leftovers, and so I could just put them there. Okay, and then here we have our croissants, cinnamon rolls, cheese, our hard salami, pepperoni, and Cheetos. What is this called? Chorizo. Okay, hold on, my brain. Chorizo. And we have room to grow, so that's good. So yeah. And then on this side, we have hot sauces down here. This is all cooking stuff. And then here's all condiments and dressings. So everything is kind of in a category, but I love it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?